Our video for today is going to be on safe browsing practices. Now, if you're someone who's online every day, then this one is for you. Let's dive right in. So the first tip is always make sure you use HTTPS website. Now, when you access a domain, you will see a small padlock icon like the one highlighted that's going to appear before the domain. Usually you will not see if it is HTTPS or HTTP. You will just see a lock, a padlock, and then the domain itself. Now, that padlock indicates that that website is encrypted, which means it is safe and hackers cannot easily get your information off that website. Now, our second tip is avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive activities. Now, public Wi-Fi might be convenient, but it is too risky. Now, you want to avoid doing things like online banking or entering your passwords when on public Wi-Fi. If you must do such activities, you should employ the use of a VPN, which is going to secure your data. Tip number 3, be careful with pop-up ads and downloads. Now, those ads and pop-ups that you always see asking you to download things, especially things that you are not looking for, 9 times out of 10 they are malware in disguise. Now, you want to download only from trusted websites, trusted vendors. If you're on mobile, download only from your Play Store or App Store. Avoid pirated software at all costs because it's never free. It always comes with a package. They always say it's free, but in reality it's not. Tip number 4, keep your browser and plugins updated. Outdated software is hackers' best friends. You want to make sure that your browser, all plugins, your operating system, your phones, Android, iOS are running on the latest versions. Now, this is very important because most people don't even know how to install updates on their mobile phones. At times you see an update on your phone and they say it is like 1 gig, 2 gig. People want to conserve their data and they ignore that. Let me tell you something. Whenever a patch is issued for a software, it means the previous version has a vulnerability which has been discovered. So if you keep using the old version and not updating, you are open to exploitation by hackers. So you want to make sure that at every given point in time, you are always running on the latest version of every software that is on your phone, be it your operating system, the phone operating system. For iPhones, you have iOS. For Android, you have the Android system. So tip number 5 is enable two-factor authentication. Now, it is very important to enable two-factor authentication whenever possible, because even if a hacker has access to your password, they still need your second layer of security to be able to access your account. So two-factor authentication is very necessary. And I have a whole video which is about 5-6 minutes long on two-factor authentication on my page, Cyber Smart Tips, and on my YouTube channel, Cyber Smart Tips. So you want to check it out to better understand two-factor authentication. So there you have it. Follow these safe browsing practices and you'll be one step closer to staying cyber smart. If you like my video, like and share, follow, and if you want me to make a video on any particular topic, comment and I will get to you.